Namaste, my name is Srishti and in today's video I'll be showing you some exercises which can be very beneficial for you if you are having any kind of sciatica pain. आज की एक्सरसाइजेस आपके लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक रहेंगी अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का sciatica पेन है. So sciatica pain starts from your lower back. ये ऐसा पेन है which starts from your lower back, it spreads towards the side and it comes down with your glutes from your hip, from the back of your hip, comes down to the hamstrings and in severe cases it reaches to your foot. So in today's exercises, I'll show you some stretches which can open up your glute muscles, your hamstrings and provide relief to sciatica pain. So let's get started. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी पहली एक्सरसाइज से. And we'll lie down on our belly. So bring your body down on your mat. Take your hands forward. और अपने हाथों को अब हम अपनी एल्बोज को बिल्कुल अपने शोल्डर के नीचे ले आएंगे. Palms are facing front and relax. यहाँ पे हम 15 सेकेंड के लिए for 15 seconds we'll stay here. Keep breathing and then relax down. Take a long breath and we come up again. फिर से अपनी एल्बोज को अपने शोल्डर के नीचे रख लेंगे 15 सेकेंड के लिए. So we can do it for 5 times. You can relax down and then come up again. So we can do this for 5 times and hold for 15 seconds. In the next exercise, we will lie down again. I have also shown you in my previous video, Bhujang Asana breathing. So inhale, lift up. Exhale, lift down. Inhale, lift up. Neck is relaxed. Exhale. We can do this for 5 to 10 reps. Now we come to the next exercise. Take your hands forward. Inhale, lift your opposite hand and leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. सांस को अंदर लेते हुए, अंदर खींचते हुए हम अपने हाथ और पैर को ऊपर ले आएंगे और सांस को बाहर छोड़ते हुए नीचे आ जाएंगे. Very slowly. So we can do this for 5 to 10 times. 5 से 10 बार हम इस एक्सरसाइज को रिपीट करेंगे. इसके बाद हम अपनी अगली एक्सरसाइज पे आ जाएंगे. उसके लिए हम टेबल टॉप पोजीशन में आएंगे. सो आवर रिस्ट और हमारे शोल्डर दोनों एक लाइन में रहेंगे और हमारी नीज और हमारे हिप्स बिल्कुल एक लाइन में रहेंगे. यहाँ से लिफ्ट वन लेग, एक पैर को और एक हाथ को हम सीधा कर लेंगे. Exhale down. Inhale, opposite hand, opposite leg. Exhale down. हमें अपने पैर को पीछे सीधा करने पे ध्यान देना है, ना कि ऊंचाई पे. So we have to focus on straightening the leg. And down. Straighten your leg. And you come down. इस एक्सरसाइज को हम बिना हाथ को ऊपर लिए भी कर सकते हैं. We can also perform this exercise without lifting our hands. So we can lift the leg only this way. Hold it for 1 second. 1 second hold करेंगे, नीचे ले आएंगे. Keep breathing normally as per your pace. अपनी खुद की पेस पे हम ब्रीथ करते रहेंगे. Now for the next exercise, we'll lie down on our back. पीठ के बल हम लेट जाएंगे. बहुत ही आराम से. एक पैर को हम मोड़ लेंगे, दूसरा पैर सीधा रहेगा. One leg will remain straight and the other leg will bend. So we'll bend from our knees. Place your hands beside और यहाँ से धीरे धीरे पैर को खोलेंगे, वापस ले आएंगे. Make sure that do it very slowly. So we can do this for 5 to 10 times on each leg. दोनों ही पैरों पे इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे हम 5 से 10 बार. Now we come to the next exercise. Bend your one leg. Bring your hands under your thighs and then try to bring the knee closer to the chest. Chest के पास हम इस पैर को खींचने की कोशिश करेंगे. Release. Inhale. एक्सहेल, सांस को बाहर छोड़ते हुए पैर को खींचेंगे. Inhale, release. So we can do this for 5 to 10 reps on both our legs. In case you are unable to hold your leg from below, you can take this strap, you can use a strap, place it here just behind your thighs, and then you can use the strap to pull your leg towards your chest. So we will take it away and bring it closer. Make sure that you do it on both your legs. Now coming to the next exercise, and for this you have to straighten the leg. Release, straight. अगर पैर सीधा ना हो पाए तो it's okay if it is little bend. थोड़ा सा bend रह सकता है. And release. एक चीज का हमें यहाँ ध्यान रखना है that we pull our toes. हम अपने टोज को एंगेज रखेंगे अपनी बॉडी के साथ, पैर को ढीला नहीं छोड़ेंगे. इसको भी हम 5 से 10 बार करेंगे. Now we come to the next exercise, and for that we'll bend both our legs, lift the other leg and place the ankle on the edge of the other thigh. So we are placing the ankle on the outer edge of the other leg, and then from here move your hip joint. So we are moving the entire thigh this way. So you are pushing your knee against, you are trying to take it away from your chest and then bring it closer. थोड़ा पास लाएंगे and then take it away, push. So you are going to do this for 10 times. This will help the entire thigh muscle and your glutes to move. And then from here, when you do this for 10 times, 10 बार ऐसे करने के बाद हम अपना दूसरा पैर, we're going to lift up the other leg and then bring it closer to the chest. So we're going to take the hand from inside, interlace your fingers behind your leg and then try to pull it towards your chest. This way. I'll show you on the other leg. This is how we're going to do it. And then slowly lift up. Take your hands and then place your fingers. And then pull the knee towards your chest. You're going to feel such a good stretch on your entire thigh and your glutes. So this is a very good stretch for sciatica. You might feel some cramp on the hip, which is totally normal. That's totally okay. And then slowly release. So you can hold it for 15 seconds. 15 सेकंड के लिए हम इसे hold करेंगे. And then you can also do it for 5 times. So hold it for 15 seconds, release, do it on the other leg. So you can do it for 5 times on each leg. Now, in case when you're lifting and you have difficulty holding your thigh, so you can use the strap. Take the strap from here and then hold it tightly. Now from here, you have to pull your thigh from your strap towards your chest and enjoy the stretch. Slowly release. Now we are coming to the next exercise. So keep your legs bent and then from here, inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, slowly in a controlled manner. Inhale, squeeze your pelvis, turn in your tailbone and then lift up. Exhale down. Now in case you have a severe sciatica, अगर आपको severe sciatica है तो आपको सिर्फ 2 इंच अपनी lower back को जमीन से उठाना है and then come down. So you don't have to lift. आपको पूरा नहीं उठाना है अपना hip. आपको सिर्फ inhale करते हुए engage your pelvis. So squeeze your pelvis. Inhale, come up for 2 inch. सिर्फ 2 इंच हम जमीन से उठेंगे. Hold here for 1 to 2 seconds and then slowly release. बहुत ही ध्यान से. And then again lift up. 2 inches from the mat and slowly come down. So you can do this for 5 to 10 repetitions. So these were the exercises which can be very beneficial for the people with sciatica pain. What these exercises do is they give, they release your muscles, your lower back muscles, your glute muscles, your hamstrings and your legs. And from that you feel a lot relief in the pain. So start these exercises in case you're having any kind of sciatica pain, and do share this video if you know anyone who is suffering from sciatica pain. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please tap on the like button and share the video. Thank you. Namaste.